Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we'll be covering a command line tool made by LabSmile called GRACE CLI. First step is to clone the GRACE CLI repo. Head over to LabSmile's GitHub. The link is attached in the video. Also make sure that you grab pre-trained model files from the repo. As you can see, we already have that file and our input NIfTI file. Now let's clone the repo. Let's copy the pre-trained model.pth file to the repos folder. Following are the files in the current repo folder. Now make sure that run and GRACE files have executable permissions. If not, you can use this command. Next step is to execute the run file with your input file or folder. Now the script will automatically download all the packages listed in the requirements file. The following logs are the output from the grace.py file. Processing each input takes about half a minute or more using a single GPU. You can find all the outputs in the outputs folder within the repo. Each output will have a suffix called prayer to grace. Also take a note that Python packages will be about 5.5 gigabytes. Following is the output file that we ran in MRI Crow GL.